Hello, I am Ilona and I will continue with my search and looking for the substrate words. Today I decided to continue with birds, but there is one problem with birds. And I think I will have similar problem while researching animals. Uh, because when we have like a plant or tree or a fish, yes, even a fish, how naming usually would work? Appearance, some kind of characteristic. With birds, we have one very obvious naming thing. It's the sounds they make. A weber bird.
Osa kälkätatsi.
I think that's not for this video, but most likely one of the first words, if we don't talk about the first baby words. What people did, how they started to speak, was by imitating animal and more specifically bird sounds. Why it is a problem? Because, for example, if we take this bird, cuckoo. Okay, in Latvian that will be different. I don't really understand still where does it come from, what does it mean. Maybe at some point I will get it, but not yet. So, as you can see in all these languages, it is almost the same or very close. And yes, something about cuckoo. This is just a letter repeating thing, which is very easy to come up, first of all. And when you look for at a word which connects many language families, many people around, you can think, yes, something was happening there. Uh, Either they had a loads of contacts, or this is some kind of very old word from the language before the language groups we know, like this substrate or hunter-gatherer or something, maybe because the languages which are now being reconstructed, they go back around how many years? Well, I don't know, maybe it depends of language group. Well, let's say around 6,000 years on average. Not like before that, people didn't spoke. There were a lot of other languages, some went extinct and everything. So yes, it could be from anywhere. If it is a little bit more complicated word, with this one, I think you could even imagine Neanderthals saying that. Really, I of course I cannot prove that, but this could be one of these words, which is really very ancient, but only because people just said what they hear. It could get extinct with some kind of languages which don't exist or they don't left descendants and can be reintroduced again for who knows how many times. So with birds, we will have this group of birds where it is almost nothing to research actually. Thanks for watching and goodbye.